We go for our practical session. So before entering into that, I want to start with my Google site. So how which is Google site which is going to work is, so simple. We can open a Google. So Google, I can type it in a Google. Just you can simply type PROF money IT, which is going to hit it. So we can access my Google site is directly from the Google page. So in this Google site, this is my personal site which is created 2 years back, which is giving some information about my personal information, as well as what are the project I completed, which is available in my Google site. We can easily access, which is useful for both students as well as URL, which is going to access with the real technology. We can use it. So in this forum, Google site, then I will add another one, reading list which is giving the information about what are the current trends or current technology we are going to use. That technology will give. See, this is my Google site, which is giving some information about myself. So who am I, then what is the information about me, everything. I'll give this in my personal page. Then second link which is given by e-learning portal. So e-learning portal which is some information about what are the new technology or new current trends we are using, which is that information available. That is called purely e-learning. Like FOSS I will give. That FOSS means is a free and open source software. This lab is open source lab which is created by myself and with the Linux expert system in our college. So we are using this facility in a college for open source environment we are using. So through this we are applying mobile computing lab, operating system lab, database management system. We are implementing these type of application or these type of subject materials, or with these type of programs we are going to use in this FOSS lab. And second information like Pervasive computing. Pervasive computing is my research domain. So I'm going to research on this Pervasive computing. So which is design a human interaction system to managing this network. So within this application, we already created another one application that is called VNC, Virtual Network Computing. Through the mobile phone or through the tablet device, we can access what are the computer or what are the device in a network we can access. That is the project we completed. That is information already given to you. Then third thing is for our green computing. These are some useful information available in this e-learning portal. So regularly we can update this. Then another one tag is materials. This material tags which is give the information about what are the materials available, like subject materials, course materials, everything is available. We can download the material from this site. Example, I will download any one subject that is going to download it with this. So where this information or where this repository available is, I can use another one Google technology, the Google product like Google Drive. I created what are the application I created, everything is uploaded in a Google Drive. I cannot use any separate database, I didn't use any separate drives, or I didn't use any separate repository for this. Simply I will create on Google Drive. So Google Drive is already available. From the Google Drive uploaded through my Gmail account uploaded, I get a shareable link which is linked within my site. This is my second material. So all the material which is accessed, so there is no need of any separate repository, and which is no need of any separate storage and all we can use. This material is a material which is mainly used for students, as well as any other requirements we need we can access. Then another important information is reading list. So reading list tag which is used for all type of users, all type of like students, like a faculty, or anyone user want to use a technology we can use. So reading list, first one information which is available with that, compiling with the J2EE. So we are going to work with the J2EE, means I can creating a separate manual for J2EE. So you want to access just to open this. So how we can access J2EE, how to compile a J2EE, that is available. So which is we can use how to compile a J2EE. This is the new information. J2EE application I will give this forum. Next reading list, what I think is cloud computing. So cloud infrastructure service, the material, the question bank, everything is available. We can compile and deploy on cloud using these applications. Then Oracle also, you can certified in cloud. I am certified in J2EE, I certified in Oracle. So what are the materials I can use? What are the technology I can use? The main focus advantage is that we can access anywhere from any place. That is the main advantage. So I can store it in my Google Drive. I get a shareable link. I can share it in my Google site. So anyone can access the site. So I can use the technology in this way. Then important thing is my next creation, this mobile application development lab. So I created a video tutorial like for mobile application development lab, which is available. So we can apply all the mobile computing lab, like guide component, we can creating layout, how to manage a layout, everything which is available in this. So we can use it for this. Next for the application is working with open source. So I created another one video tutorial for open source lab. Open source means we can creating your own operating system in this compilation. So all the video tutorial level we can available on the example I will show in video tutorial. It's called kernel configuration. Through that we can compiling your own kernel. We can compiling their own kernel, which is use the video tutorial available in this link. So we can use the kernel compilation from this medium. So we can compile the kernel configuration with this code. So all the open source, these are open source environment I will do it. Then another important thing is what are the subject materials, otherwise what are the course material, what are the content I can develop. So all the materials available in this portal. So we can using all the materials, all the portal from this page. This is a main, this reading list which is useful for all type of user, not only for students who are using technology or who are going to learn like J2ME, mobile application development, Java programming, cloud, open source. Then another thing is NS2, network simulator, PHP, MySQL, so OpenGL, everything which is available. So which is used for all type of users. We can download this material, download the video tutorial from this. So we can creating your own applications and all. Then another important thing is the useful link. Useful give information about what are the learning environment, learning commercial site which is available. I will give this information for this. Then department, what are the certification I received from the real market, real society, like a certificate in EMC Academic Associate, Google application, Google Best Apply certification I received, IBM certified, the Rational Seed program, Oracle certification, PHP, MySQL, everything I will give. So but these are my certificate information which is available. And finally, which is the portal which is created by my personal work, that is called publication achievement. Up to this I published more than 8 paper international journal. What are the completion I will use? I will use 8 international journal, and published more than 10 conference papers. Then I completed 9 national conference and 10 international conference. I completed more than 7 projects. Ongoing currently I am doing 2 different projects. One is for ICT ICT compared to the ICT ICT project. Another one is called digital literacy mission project I am doing. These are I am social professional membership. I am in 8 professional society membership. I am membership in 8 professional societies. Then these are something what I completed in the past 2 years. All the information available. So you want more information about this means kindly you can type in a Google with the name of Prof Money IT. PROF Prof Money IT. 1 minute. Access means we can simply type in a Google Prof Money IT, which is appear. So you can download, you can see my website. So all the technology field available in my website we can use. Then my third project is like VNC, virtual network computing. That is used for we can combining virtual network computing. This is a mobile application created by myself with the help of J2ME technology. We can use the mobile application technology. I created one mobile app. That app I will publish one paper. I will show me paper which is easily identified. We can type, that is called virtual network computing. What is the application which is do is, so this is one project. This project is completed by myself. Which is completed by myself, which is available in a Google also, so we can see it. Campus of International Journal, I published this paper. What I did is, you can see this paper we can easily identify. I created a mobile application. That application which is loaded in all type of mobile like iOS or JTM, any type of mobile, we can upload this mobile. Through the mobile phone we can access the network in a network. Suppose we have used a computer and a network computer we are using. That I want to access the computer with the mobile phone means we can type login with my application, type the computer name or type the IP address. We can access what are services which is available, we can access. This is my second work. Then third is file transfer protocol. The file transfer protocol, already we are having FTP facility in a college, but what I did is I created a new file transfer protocol that is for only especially for student forum. So this FTP we can store our personal students material as well as what are the students which is completed, which is posted in FTP. Through the FTP we can access their material, which is anywhere and any place access. So these are all technology, the technically enabled I will use, and regularly which is updated, which is going to use. So I will show my application this way for my publications work. this is my first application. Whatever the application I will complete it, I convert it into paper with some results. I publish in journal, so which is for by recognition for that. So first project I completed is virtual network computing. It is one mobile based application, virtual network connection using mobile phone. This paper, after completed my created my application, I converted into paper with my student, then published in CompuSoft International Journal with the ISBN number I published. This is some information about my work, and then models, everything is available in the paper, so we can use. Already I sent this paper details to you, so we can see the paper and what the thing is available. This is one project I completed. My second project is using network simulator. I will design one network, and I want to analysis the performance using NS2. I analysis the performance, and I completed this. My second project with my friend, I will complete this project. This is also published in the CompuSoft journals. Then another, I created a survey created one survey paper which is giving information about IJ grid computing application. I created one project. Then another project I completed is for distributed denial service attacks. I find out, I'll give a botnet solution mechanism for identifying packet loss mechanism. These are all project I completed. I did as a technology. This is implemented in some source, so then only I publish this. So these are all some technical aspect with me, so I will do is so these are some application I will completed this. So thank you very much for this.